Well, good morning, LBC. This is my last speech to you, my last farewell speech to you. You know me, I had to do it virtually and digitally, so you'll always have access to it. I'll be posting it in Schoology. But again, I just want to say thank you for everything that we've done and accomplished over the last 3 years, working collaboratively with the LBC family. And just want to highlight our success stories that we accomplished together. You know, we were the first Aiken County Public School with a one-to-one rollout. You know, the district is doing, the whole district wide now is going one-to-one. So that's super excited that we were the pioneers, that we led the charge with the one-to-one rollout going on. 1819, you know, first good school report card rating in the school's history. Super excited to be a part of that because we made history together. Over the last 3 years, our ELA SE Ready score increased 14%. Our math scores went up 8% the last 3 years. We had the highest district increase overall in math scores in 1819 at plus 6%. Over the last 3 years, our science scores increased plus 28%. That's huge. Our social studies scores increased 12% from 17 to 19. We had the highest district increase in special education math at 12%. We're the only Aiken County Middle School not on TSI, that's Targeted Support and Improvement. We have all of our subgroups scoring above the 10th percentile. It's our special ed, our African Americans, our poverty, our ESOL kids are crushing it on our state testing. ESOL access scores went up this year, went from below average to average. We accepted an award at 2017-18, the #1 South Carolina Middle School Day of Cyber Award winner. We presented that award at the school board meeting. Super excited. 2 district-wide school spelling bee champions that went into Washington, D.C. Of course, we continue to recognize our alphas and betas at our quarterly awards assemblies. We had Parent Pride Week, really involved the parents and the community within the school over the last 3 years. And, you know, we'll continue doing that as the years come by. And I just want to, you know, please continue doing what we've been doing, you know, just continue having high expectations, but even higher expectations for yourself. You know, keep knocking it out in the classroom like you've been doing. Continue collaborating, sharing strategies, innovative practices, and, you know, you have to continue supporting one another because, you know, we can't do it alone. We can't do it by ourselves. So continue collaborating. Continue using data to drive instruction, making sure you're being strategic with your lesson planning and your instructional resources. Make sure you're shifting instructional practices to blended learning 21st century classrooms, you know, making sure our classrooms are innovative and creative so students have some deeper learning going on within the classroom. My new cell phone number, put this in your phones. You do delete my old numbers and put this number in there, 864-323-5254. That's the new way you can communicate with me. Here is my email address, pspadaro@greenwood52.org. Again, I'm available 24/7, 7 days a week. If you need anything, just feel free to contact me at your convenience. And again, it was a privilege and honor to serve as your principal over the last 3 years. We did a lot of great things together. I felt like it was a family at LBC, and it will continue being a family. And there'll always be a place in my heart with all of you, the Valley, and just love being a part of the community there in Area 3. And thank you for making me realize why LBC is the place to be, not only these past 3 years, but in years to come. Thank you again. Keep knocking it out. Keep doing great things. You know, I will be score snooping on all of you. I'll still be tracking to see how you all are performing. I know you're all going to do a great job under the new administration, and just continue striving for that, for being excellent. And I know hopefully this time next year, I'll be seeing that on your school report card. Thank you. God bless. And I wish all of you the best in your future endeavors. Thank you.